Types of houses. Vocabulary Part 2.
A high-rise is your choice if you are not afraid of heights. You will look through your windows at the birds, and the birds will look back at you. A skyscraper is your choice if you want to live higher than anyone and you want to look down on the people. A trailer, mobile home, or recreational vehicle, RV, is your choice if you like to travel and see different places from the windows of your rolling house. A houseboat is your choice if you love water and fishing. A mansion is your choice if you like big, luxurious houses with friendly or unfriendly ghosts. A farmhouse is your choice if you like fresh air and organic products. You will wake up early in the morning and work with cows, pigs, and chickens. It's a dream come true. The single-family detached home is your choice when the next pandemic starts.